Hey guys, this is Narmo here and I'm back with another money making app. This money making app is called Cash Karma, and with this app you can complete many tasks, watch videos and do other things to collect points which can be then converted into gift cards and even PayPal cash. So without further ado, let's get into the video. But first I want to show you where to go to download the app. So you can go in the Google Play Store and type in app karma. No, wrong, Cash Karma. So as you can see, this is the app here. 4.5 reviews, very good app. As you can see, it's a very good app. Earn free gift card by watching video, completing surveys and more. So guys, let's get into the app. So yes guys, as you can see, we're now in the app, and at the top you can see the badges section, karma point section and reward level. The karma points is what you will then use to convert into various gift cards. So the ways of earning these karma points are by checking in daily, which is a $5 daily bonus every day. This app has a counterpart called App Karma, but we'll get into that app in another video. Another ways in which you can earn is by video rewards. So you can watch app trailers and which you can do to earn karma points. And here we reach at the surveys. You have survey I, survey II, survey III, survey IV and survey V. So these are surveys 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the surveys in which you can do and complete, and you will receive an allotted amount of karma points. So as you can see, 100 karma points for survey 1, 125 for survey 2 and so on. And then you have the offers. These are additional tasks that you can complete to also receive karma points. So guys, let's get into the reward section. Okay, so as you can see, there are various ways to cash out. Loads and loads of cash out opportunities. But the main two I want to talk about is the Amazon gift cards and PayPal cash. So yes guys, you can cash out your karma points for PayPal, and the lowest for cashing out is $10 for 13,500 karma points. And as you can see at the bottom is you can see plus 675 points. So that means when you cash out for a $10 PayPal, you also receive points after you cash out. So yes guys, and then let's move to the Amazon section. The Amazon section is kind of cheaper when it comes to the amount of karma points for cashing out. So as you can see, it's $10. For a $10 Amazon gift card, it's only need 11,000 karma points. And for the redeem bonus, you get 5,500 points. So yes guys, these are all the ways to cash out on Cash Karma. Various gift cards, lots and lots of gift cards. I will be showing you another section in which you can receive points. So as you can see, earn lots of extra bonuses when you earn badges. Start with the basic badges and earn a few hundred points easily. So yes guys, these are the part in which you complete certain tasks or certain amount of tasks. They will reward you with badges, and these badges carry an allotted amount of points too. So when you sign up, you will automatically get 50 plus points. And guys, another way, and to get an extra 300 points, guys, you need to input your referral code. So guys, I will be leaving my referral code in the description. So yes, this simply means you can also earn by referral. So yes guys, earn 10% of rewards when you invite friends. So guys, this is my referral code normal, and this is my invite link, so I will be sharing that link with you in the description. So yes guys, give 300 karma points, so your friend gets 300 karma points when you enter your referral code. So yes guys, it's an easy 300 points to you I'm giving you. Yes guys, so yes, all you have to do is just input my referral code by using my link in the description, and you will get an automatic 300 points. So guys, we have come. Oh, and one more thing, there's an additional feature to this app in which you can see the public's activities. So now it shows where you can see all the activities that are currently going on. So as you can see, someone has recently got an Amazon gift card, $10 Amazon gift card, and it also shows that persons have completed various tasks. So these are the activities currently happening in the public. So guys, we have come to the end of the video. Like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.